Not every truth wants to be revealed. Are you ready to open the file? For decades, U.S. military bases have been protected by advanced radar, satellites, and modern air defense systems, but what would happen if unidentified flying objects appeared directly above those highly classified areas? These are not rumors from social media, not blurry videos from civilians. They are testimonies from military personnel, official military documents, and even hearings before the U.S. Congress. One of the locations mentioned most often is Vandenberg Base in California, a site used for missile launches and strategic weapons testing. So, what is really appearing in the skies above America's military bases? Vandenberg Space Force Base is one of the most important military installations in the United States. At this site, military radar has recorded unidentified aerial objects appearing near missile launch areas. Some military witnesses described them as follows: "They do not look like aircraft. They have no clear wings. They emit no communication signals. And they can hover in place before disappearing within seconds." These incidents did not happen just once. For many years, similar reports have repeatedly appeared around bases such as Vandenberg, Area 51, coastal naval bases, and even strategic weapons storage facilities. Some of these incidents have been featured in documentaries and investigative reports. In them, many former pilots and radar officers have come forward to testify. They confirmed that these objects were detected by military radar, not just seen with the naked eye. One U.S. Navy pilot once described it this way: "We locked onto the target with radar, but it moved in a way that today's aircraft simply cannot." What is important is this: they did not claim these objects were aliens. They simply referred to them as UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena, which means unidentified aerial phenomena. In recent years, the U.S. Congress has held official hearings on UAPs. For the first time, military officials publicly acknowledged there are unidentified flying objects. Some appear near military bases. Many cases cannot yet be explained. One official stated clearly, "We are not concluding that this is foreign technology, and we are not saying it is extraterrestrial. We only know that, at this time, we cannot identify what they are." This has led the public to ask an important question: if these were aircraft from another nation, how were they able to pass through advanced defense systems? Scientists have proposed several possible explanations: secret experimental aircraft, rare atmospheric phenomena, radar errors or signal interference, high-tech drones, optical illusions. The key point is this: UAP does not mean alien UFOs. UAP simply means something in the sky that could not be identified at that time. Many cases, after careful investigation, were later identified as experimental aircraft or rare natural phenomena, but some incidents still remain unexplained to this day. It is not about fear of aliens, it is because any object that approaches a military base without being identified is a security issue. If it is technology from another nation, it is dangerous. If it is a system error, it must be fixed. If it is a natural phenomenon, it must be understood. That is why the U.S. military is forced to investigate UAPs. As a matter of science and national security, not as a story of science fiction. The greatest mystery is not, do aliens exist? But rather, how much we still do not understand about the sky, the atmosphere, and modern technology. UAP is not evidence of extraterrestrial life. It is a scientific puzzle that has not yet been fully solved. And when these phenomena appear around military bases, they remind us of one thing: humans may control the skies, but we do not yet fully understand them. So what do you think? Is this simply secret technology, rare natural phenomena, or just errors in detection and recording? The truth is still hidden.